Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by adding JavaScript to your page. Place a script tag referencing app. JS just before /body so the DOM loads first. Once done, choose defer if you prefer head placement because it preserves load order without blocking. Make sure file paths are exact because a wrong path causes a silent 404. You need DevTools console open now. It shows syntax errors and missing files, so you can iterate quickly and not guess what went wrong. You now connect behavior to elements. Use document. Query selector or get element by ID to grab nodes because precise selection avoids accidental global changes. Once you have nodes, change element. Style properties for quick tweaks, but prefer toggling CSS classes to keep design consistent and maintainable. Then wire events with add event listener, so your page responds without inline attributes. Make sure to debounce frequent events when needed, otherwise performance will suffer on scroll or input. This pattern separates structure. You wrap up by testing thoroughly. Open console, network, and performance panels to spot runtime errors, failed loads, and slow scripts. Once done, handle promises with try/catch around async/await and validate inputs to prevent logic faults. Make sure to modularize your code with small functions so unit testing and debugging are easier. If something fails, first confirm the script loaded and there are no 404, then reproduce steps. Check console messages and isolate the failing function. This single troubleshooting habit saves hours.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.